Hello everyone, welcome to another video in this ROS tutorial series, and today we will be learning about how you can install and configure your ROS environment. So here we are at the ROS wiki page. We have already installed ROS, and if you remember during the installation, you are required to source a script, and by doing this it makes developing against different versions of ROS or against different sets of packages easier. And we can check if our environment is properly set up by running this code right here. So on the code in terminal. Okay, everything looks good. The next thing we are going to do is to create a ROS workspace, and to do that we have to create a new directory which will be named the captain workspace, and inside the directory we have to create another folder which will be the source folder, and the source folder is needed before we can run captain make. So let's go ahead and create the new directory. Okay, our captain directory has been created. So let's navigate to the work directory. You can just press tab to autocomplete. Okay, now we are in the directory and we have already created source folder. So let's go ahead and run captain make. Okay, our workspace has been created. The next thing to do is to source our new setup, and you can do that by running this code our terminal. Okay, our new setup has been sourced, and to check if our workspace is properly overlaid by the setup scripts, we do that by running this code. We should return our current working directory. So our workspace has been properly sourced. That will be all for this video. In the next video, we'll be talking about ROS file system, how you can navigate the ROS file system. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.